Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the jean face down on a flat surface and protecting the fabric with a thin cloth. Use needle nose pliers to steady the back post, then wedge a seam ripper or small flathead under the folded metal prongs. Pry gently and bend each prong outward. Slow, small motions prevent tearing. Once the prongs are opened, lift the old cap off. Make sure to keep the post and cap separated, so you can inspect both pieces for damage. You now inspect the buttonhole and surrounding fabric to ensure it will hold the new fastener. If threads are frayed, trim loose fibers and place a small fabric patch or lightweight interfacing behind the hole to reinforce it. Once reinforced, feed the replacement post through from the front so the cap sits flush on the outside. Make sure the cap is centered. Misalignment causes stress and will fail sooner. Take a breath. Alignment here makes the repair durable and neat. You will finish by placing the cap and post together, then folding the metal prongs down evenly with pliers. Do 1 or 2 prongs at a time to maintain alignment. Crimp them until they lie flat against the fabric, but stop before they cut threads. Balanced pressure prevents tearing. Once crimped, tug the button gently to confirm security. If it wiggles, reopen slightly and add a tiny washer or recrimp for extra hold. Trouble tip: if fabric keeps tearing, reinforce with a larger patch before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.